prepared for your boards? Why have you chosen commerce? How much I got in my 10th grade? What do I want to do after class 12? Do I have a boyfriend? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. So I'm filming a Q&A video because I hit 1,000 subscribers, then I also hit 2,000 subscribers, and I'm like, up to video banana padega. So I put up a community post and I received a lot of questions. I wasn't expecting such a huge response, but I love that. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I get into the main questions you asked me, let me answer the most frequently asked questions. So I'm 17 years old, turning 18 soon, and I live in Delhi. I am in the commerce stream, which means I study English, maths, economics, business studies and accountancy. I do not have any optional subject and I do not go for tuitions. And also the most frequently asked question is how much I got in my 10th grade. So I got... Now let's get into the questions. Random has asked me your dream holiday destination. If I really had to choose one place, it would definitely be either Bali or Maldives, because I'm really craving a beach vacation, and Maldives has been on my bucket list for a really long time. Next question is, what do I want to do after class 12? My interest is mainly towards economics and business studies, so I'm planning to pursue that itself. Obviously SRCC being the best college in Delhi for economics specifically, I would love to go there, but we'll see what happens in the future. Shruti Sinha has asked how much I'm scoring in my sample papers. So I usually score between 75 to 80. I'm obviously working towards getting a perfect score in all my sample papers. Music Masti has asked me, how do you manage accountancy and mathematics? So for maths and accounts, they are my priority subjects, so I usually practice them on a daily basis, and solving as many questions as possible is the best, because practice makes perfect, right? Naki Uni Krishnan, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Your ambition? I definitely want to travel as much as possible in the future. I also kind of want to travel vlog. That's what my plan is for the long term and future, but let's see. Favorite color, it's black. I'm sure you've understood that by seeing my room. Atul Kumar has asked me, do I have a boyfriend? No, I do not have a boyfriend. I'm not dating anybody. Why have you chosen commerce and how is your experience in commerce? So honestly, it's like a very funny story why I chose commerce. So initially my plan was like, I have to choose science, but then I actually realized I don't want to do engineering, and medical so I was never going to do anyway. So I was like, what is the point of taking science? I have to study so much, it doesn't even make sense. And humanities was something I don't want to study because I really didn't want to get into theoretical subjects like psychology or like geography, history, whatever. And commerce seemed the best option because that's the only one left, and also I'm pretty good at maths, so I thought maybe I should go with commerce. And about my experience, honestly, it's been great. 11th grade was fun. We were just chilling and studying. That doesn't mean I was not studying, but it was very balanced in 11th grade, and 12th grade we've been at home, so I think it just worked out for me well. Ishika Sharma has asked me, how do you stay productive and complete so much work in a day? Honestly, it is only about the end goal that I'm planning to achieve, and that is like the biggest motivator for me. All I do is think about my end goal and the kind of life I want to live in the future, and I just have to be productive because honestly there's not a choice here. Mayank Khandelwal asked me, what's your aggregate percentage of pre-boards? So I scored about 95-96% in pre-boards, but I'm obviously striving for better in the boards. Sonia Gupta asked, awkward and funniest high school memory. Honestly, it's so difficult to remember one because I'm sure there have been a million incidents, so I can't really answer that specifically. And best trip till now, I definitely have to choose the one in which I went to Singapore, because Singapore is absolutely beautiful, and if you haven't seen my vlog, you should check that out. Shreya Agarwal asked me, do you listen to music while solving maths? Personally, I find it very distracting to listen to absolutely anything while doing maths, so I don't listen to music, but it does help a lot of people to focus, so if that works for you, then good. Priti Mulchandani, are you prepared for your boards? What kind of a question is that? I mean, I don't think I'll ever be 100% prepared for my boards, but I just want them to get over quickly. Like, it's just like 1 month is left and I'm like, bas ho gaya yaar, ab jaldi lo. Shravani Dhobale, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, asked, who inspired you to start a channel? Big fan of your productivity, thank you. And I'm definitely inspired by a lot of creators on YouTube like Sejal Kumar, Komal Pandey, Sadie Aldous from Canada, and a lot of other YouTubers, because honestly I just love the process of making videos and then editing them as well. I really enjoy doing that, so I think those are the people who inspired me to start a channel. Shella has asked me too many questions, but that I love that. Favorite subject? Very difficult, but I do enjoy economics. What was the idea behind your YouTube channel? Honestly, there was no idea behind my YouTube channel. I made it because I just enjoy making YouTube videos. But yes, I definitely wanted to make more of travel vlogs, but COVID happened and that couldn't really be possible. But I still did manage to travel twice during COVID. Check out the vlogs if you haven't already. Which topics do you like making videos? Travel vlogs, definitely, but I also do enjoy making study vlogs because it helps a lot of you guys. What is your favorite thing to do in free time? Either to watch YouTube videos or make YouTube videos. Which time and day do I shoot and edit my videos? There's no specific day or time. Jab man karta I do it. What time do you read our comments? At literally any time. Whenever I have free time, I just open YouTube and reply to your comments. If you get a chance to start a new series on your channel, which kind of series will you start? Okay, that is interesting. I never thought about starting a specific series, but if I really had to, if it had to be in terms of travel, then it would definitely be visiting every state or city or whatever in India. Or otherwise, I would like to start a series of challenges I do with my friends and stuff. That would be really interesting to watch. Maybe after boards we'll do that. Your fave dancer and choreographer, if any? There are two. I really like Team Nach. I love their vibe in general, and Matt Stefnina, who's also a foreigner. His dance moves are killer. And last question from Shaila. It's a rapid fire. Okay, dancing or listening to music? Dancing. Friends time or family time? Both, but friends time maybe. India or foreign for future studies? Foreign. Chocolate, cake, ice cream? Cake. Hindi, English song? I do enjoy both. Bollywood or Hollywood movies? Hollywood, because Bollywood movies are just too much. They're stupid. Study Babe asked me, how do you manage between your academics and social media life? Honestly, it's more about the priorities. So I know that my priority is always going to be my academics at this point, because I'm in 12th grade and the board marks are extremely important. But that also does not mean that I'm not going to do things I enjoy doing, like making YouTube videos, for example. And honestly, it's not like I'm watching YouTube the entire time or I'm working on YouTube videos the entire time. I have a balance between both. In the morning, I decide that okay, I have to complete this much work, and then after I'm done, only then I'll be checking out social media and working on my YouTube and stuff. Amna Ali asked, is it possible that whether we were not able to score good percentage in pre-boards, will we be able to score good in our board exams? Yes, definitely. Pre-board doesn't decide how much you're going to score in your board exams, because you still have time. There's 1 month left, and if you work hard, I'm sure you can improve your marks and get better grades in the board exam. S. Anushya asked me, how many sample papers have you solved up to now? Honestly, I've solved a lot of sample papers. I've been solving them for I think more than a month. Definitely. I've solved about 15 to 20 sample papers of each subject. So yeah, that's a lot. Abhilasha Chaudhary asked me, what are your expectations for the board scores and are you tensed about boards? Honestly, I do not want to keep any expectations, because expectation ki koi limit nahi hai. So I'm obviously striving for the best, but we'll see what happens. And are you tensed about boards? Honestly, I don't want to be tensed, because that will just create an unnecessary pressure on myself, which I don't want. Nritya Gitayatan Org asked me how I started YouTube. I mean, who's your inspiration and how you begin your journey? So again, I already mentioned who my inspiration was, but how I began, I remember I went to this trip on Mussoorie. It was for like 2 days or something, and obviously I didn't know how to vlog, but I created like a travel movie trailer type thing, and I posted on my Instagram. It's not on YouTube. I'll leave a link, you should check that out. But it was very basic, like very basic editing. I just joined many pictures and clips together, and it was very random. But then I realized that I really do have a passion for filmmaking and editing videos, and I realized YouTube is like the best opportunity for me. But here I am making videos now. Are you the single child of your parents? No, I have an older brother. He's 5 years elder to me. Okay, this is interesting. Shavani Dhobale asked me, if you have to collaborate with a famous YouTuber right now, who would it be? Oh my god, this is such a difficult question, because I love so many YouTubers. But if I really had to choose one, if it had to be immediately, maybe Kritika Khurana, because she lives in Delhi and there's a possibility that I meet her one day, which I will for sure. But otherwise, if I would love to collaborate with Sadie Aldous. I love her. Sejal Kumar for sure. She's been my inspiration ever since I began YouTube. So yeah, maybe Serial Kumar. Angels Wonderland asked me, do your parents support you for YouTube? Yes, definitely they're very positive about me doing YouTube. Like they don't have any problem, but yes, obviously they understand that my priority has to be studying for the exams, and doing YouTube should not hamper my studies, and I think I'm balancing it quite well until now, so they don't really have a problem with me doing YouTube. Malvika A said, please make a room tour video. Would you guys like to watch that? Comment down below if you would like to watch a room tour video. I would love to do that. Hira Chandwani, this or that. White or black? Black. YouTube or Instagram? YouTube any day. Ice cream or chocolate? Ice cream. TV or mobile? Mobile. Accounts or economics? Economics. Santosh Mishra asked me, are you a BTS army? I'm sorry to all the BTS fans out there, but I am not really a fan. I'm not saying their songs are bad or anything. I've actually heard a few of them. I really enjoy their music, but I wouldn't say I'm like a die-hard fan or anything, but like I do enjoy their music. It's not bad or anything. Bash KP asked me how many hours maximum you learn in a day. So honestly, there's no fixed amount of time I study for in a day. It's usually dependent on how much I want to complete. So I just plan what I have to do in the day and then I just do it. So I wouldn't say hours. If I had to tell you, maybe I study for like 7 to 8 hours a day. Angels Wonderland asked me, safe place. Difficult to choose, but I would say London. I really want to go there. I haven't been there. Fave food, momos. Obviously, if you're from Delhi, you know. Mannat Sharma asked me my skincare. Honestly, I really don't have a skincare right now, but if I do have one, I will let you all know. But right now, I just use the Cetaphil face wash and that's it. Like, I'm too lazy to do anything else. Kavya Grover asked me, Di, are you Punjabi or not? No, I'm not Punjabi. Dance with Shagun Chandra asked me, what is your hobby? YouTube is my hobby for sure. I love editing videos, talking to the camera, filming videos. I think I have a passion for it. So Mukha TQMC asked me, hi, how to get good marks in maths. If you do not have maths in 11th and 12th class, I'm asking for further study purpose. See, honestly, again, even if you don't have maths in 11th and 12th, you can always look up courses on websites like Khan Academy. Khan Academy is really good. You know, always watch tutorial videos on YouTube, Khan Academy or any other website and just practice maths. I'm sure you'll get better at it. Learning with Patel, ma'am. Hi, this is Amira. Okay, rapid fire. Chai or coffee? None. But if I have to choose chai. Night study or day study? Day study for sure. Your 11th percentage, I got like a 94%. I think for 11th grade 94 is good because people usually have a big dip in 11th and I still managed to get 94, so that's great. How much I got in my 10th grade. So I got a 98.2% in my boards, which I'm very proud of. And we're finally done with the question and answers. I hope I answered all of your questions. I think I answered pretty much every question except the ones which were repetitive. Obviously I didn't answer them, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know how long this video is going to be, but we'll see when I'm editing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Please comment what other videos you would like to see in the future. Although boards this, I don't think I'm going to be very active on YouTube, but nonetheless, for future reference, leave any suggestions below. Follow me on Instagram. Until next time, bye.